Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to delete Instagram messages. Whether you want to clean up your chat history or remove a specific message, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Deleting individual messages. Step 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Step 2. Access messages. Tap the messages icon in the top right corner. It looks like a paper airplane. Step 3. Select a conversation. Choose the conversation containing the message you want to delete. Step 4. Unsend the message. On mobile, find the specific message within the chat. Press and hold the message. A pop-up menu will appear. Select Unsend to delete the message for both you and the recipient. Learn how to delete Instagram messages. Whether you want to remove a single message or clear entire conversations, this tutorial has you covered. Watch the video for step-by-step instructions. Feel free to customize